Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into a new kind of AI that's completely changing the game in advertising. It's giving some brands a massive, and some might say unfair, advantage. So let's break down how it works and what it really means for anyone trying to market, well, anything. But first, let's get real. If you're a marketer or a business owner, you've got to ask yourself this. Are people actually seeing your ads, or are they just scrolling right past them? You pour all this time, money, and creativity into them and, poof, gone, into the digital void. It's a huge, frustrating problem.
And see, the thing is, it's not just about getting attention anymore. You're already up against sky-high ad costs and the fact that everyone is just tired of being sold to. But now, there's this new threat, something that's quietly working in the background, a challenge that's almost invisible.
And that new threat, it's something called AI brand drift. Think about it. These giant AI models are constantly scanning the entire internet. They're reading every customer review, every tweet, every blog post, maybe even old company memos you forgot existed. And from all that data, they're building a story about your brand, and you have almost zero control over what that story is.
This whole situation just puts a spotlight on a classic advertising dilemma. For years, you really only had two choices, and frankly, neither was perfect. You could go for the big, expensive, polished studio ad, which, let's be honest, often feels pretty fake. Or you could try to use real user-generated content, UGC. People trust it, but it's a total nightmare to scale and you can't control the message. You are always stuck trading authenticity for control.
But what if that was a false choice all along? What if you could get that raw, authentic, super trustworthy feel of UGC, but create it whenever you want, with total control over the message, and do it all at the crazy speed of AI? Well, this isn't just a what-if anymore. A whole new category of tools is popping up, and platforms like ARCADS AI are really pioneering this space. They call it AI user-generated content, and it's designed to solve that exact problem, that tug-of-war between authenticity and scale. And the process is, well, it's shockingly simple. Seriously, check this out. First, you just write or upload your script. Then, you pick an AI avatar from this huge library of realistic people to be the face of your ad. And finally, you tweak things like the background, the lighting, and the camera angles. Boom! You can go from a simple idea to a finished ad in just minutes. And don't think for a second that the final product looks cheap or robotic. We're talking about high-quality, cinematic visuals that literally stop people from scrolling. This image right here, it was made from just a simple text prompt. It shows you how AI can nail a specific vibe and tell a story without ever needing a camera crew or a studio.
Okay, the idea is cool, it's revolutionary, all that good stuff, but let's get down to it. Does this actually work? Let's look at the proof.
The numbers are kind of staggering, actually. On average, ads that have that authentic UGC-style feel get 4 times, that's right, 4 times the click-through rates of those old-school polished studio ads. That's a massive difference in performance.
And this isn't just theoretical. Major brands are already seeing incredible results. Dunkin' used AI campaigns to get a 57% jump in app downloads. GoPro used it to manage over 43,000 pieces of content from their users. And get this, Fashion Nova used AI to generate images that cost them just 3 cents a piece. 3 cents! That's just wild.
So why does this work so incredibly well? It all boils down to one simple word: trust. An incredible 79% of people say that content from real users directly influences what they buy. It just feels more real, more honest. In a world drowning in slick ads, real is the ultimate currency. So let's put it all together. What does this really mean for you, for your brand, for your next big idea? It means that all those old trade-offs, sacrificing speed for quality or authenticity for cost, you can pretty much throw them out the window. This technology is making it possible for anyone, not just companies with gigantic marketing budgets, to create amazing, high-performing ads that actually connect with people.
And the best part is, this isn't some futuristic tech you have to wait for. It's here, right now, and it's super accessible. Tools like ARCADS AI are putting this power right at your fingertips, so you can start playing around with it and see for yourself.
So, I'll leave you with one final thought. Remember that AI brand drift we talked about? It's happening, right now. The story of your brand is being written by AI, whether you like it or not. So the only real question left is, are you going to be the one holding the pen?